constructed a machine to destroy stars and harvest their energy. But the primes were bound by one rule: life is precious. Thus, any inhabited star system was to be spared until one prime defied that rule. The foreman, hoping to harvest the Earth's sun, the foreman murdered his brothers. But the harvesting machine had been hidden in the deserts of Egypt. The foreman was unable to find it. The great machine was abandoned. Your race grew and buried our history. Until now.
Our enemies are near. We cannot be allowed to find the Harvester. Seek them out. They should not have come here.
New Autobot contact. The one just made it.
A heap of scrap.
Oh god.